Hi everybody, it's Ashley. I promised I would make a video of how to set yourself up on the website, and here it is. First thing to remember, voices.com.au is very much like eBay. When you register on eBay, you can register to sell and to buy using the same registration number, or registration I should say. So when you've registered, you can be a buyer and a seller, which means you can buy off these people as well if you need to. That would happen if you were, say, making on-hold messaging and you're a guy and you needed female voices for it, or vice versa. Now, when you log in and register, you've got to authorize your email, which you've probably already done. Then you log in as yourself. I'll just log in as me so you can see what happens. When you click log in from any time, you just put your username. I think I've actually set this up so you can use your email too. Can't type and talk at the same time, which is typical. Okay, it'll say success, time to go in, bang, it comes up with, this is the page you're viewed with once you're given once you're a user of the system. And you'll notice up here is your name, how much money you've earned or you've got in the kick, messages and notifications. When someone, say, wants a custom order, you can change the currency you use. It's updated every 24 hours between the different currencies. And a search. You can search for anybody if you know their name, if you've got a favorite user in the system. Now, this little, under your name, you've got to pull down jobs, sales, shopping, requests, all that sort of stuff. Make sure you go down and fill out your profile. That's where you put your pretty picture, on your settings too, where you have your email address and all that sort of stuff, and phone number. And then the most important thing to remember is jobs are the products you offer. These things down below, they're all jobs that people have put up, and you're probably going to want to put up your own. So what you do is you click on jobs, there's a little down arrow, and say I'm going to post a new job. I'll just show you roughly how you do it. Go to the job title, and you can see I've named a few bits and pieces there that I've done. I will voice your project in Aussie double S-I accent. There's one. Okay, and you might say, I would suggest you use a price leader in your pricing. Say, let's just go $60, okay? And the reason I say that is most of the time people are going to want some special pricing because it'll be an unusual length and that sort of stuff. Category. What category are you going to put it in? Well, voice talent and male voice, okay? It knows that I'm a male, by the way. And you say, okay, in the description, I will voice your, and say that's 60-second project for $60. And if you have a longer one, please click on custom offer and I will price or quote your project, right? JCT. Okay. Now you can give instructions to the buyer once they've bought. Make sure you send me final copy. Right, whatever you want to put in there. Okay, tags. Now, this is where you can put in things like, say you've got a sexy deep voice, right? You can type sexy and read comma. See how it puts it in a little thing? That's it. You will now have the word sexy in a search. So if someone comes in and says, I need a sexy voice, right? Or say you ballsy, right? They can't see this on the front. I think they can actually, but it doesn't matter. Ballsy, deep, right? Whatever. You can put that in there. How many days you want to deliver? Say, okay, I would always suggest you put down 2 days. The reason being is when you deliver in one, everybody loves it, okay? Also, you can actually add a cost for delivering it quickly so you don't get snowed under. Then we want, this picture here is a banner style picture. In other words, it runs right across the top. Now, you can go along and make yourself one. You might want to stick a set of headphones in it and a microphone and your name or whatever. So you just click on it, and I've got some things here. I'll just go to my, what have I got, pictures? No, I'll go to my Dropbox. Too much in my Dropbox. Voices web stuff. What's a background? There's a background. Now, what I can do is I can make that background thinner, but in this case, I'll just put that on there. Okay, you see how it's got to be wide. That tick means it's okay. If you get an X in there, it means the file is too large or too small. Okay, try and keep your sizes down. Don't put 2 meg, 3 meg, 4 meg files in, because all that does is slow down the site. You then might want to put in a picture of yourself. So what I need is a headshot after that, and we'll go looking for one. Now, I think I've got something in here I could use if I go into, say, my Dropbox, just make a website. Is there anything in there that I can use to do? No. I know where I'll go looking. Up in here and into headshots, and I've got a good photo of myself here. That's the one. What a good looking Vegemite. Now, it come up and it should put a tick there. Oh, look, tick means it's okay to use. Okay, it's the right size. Then you've got picture, headline, blah, blah. You need to give them an idea of what you sound like. So click on the audios, use MP3s, and then go and find your demos. Now, where are my demos? I think they're in VoiceWork demos, and I'll use a corporate one for that. Click, stick that in. There it is. Now, you can say, okay, it's uploading that. I need extra fast delivery. I'll do for an extra $25, and I'll do that one day. You can have additional revisions, right? If sometimes they send you final copy and say, okay, we've changed the copy. You say, okay, well, those additional revisions cost you $25, right? And you can click on one day because that only takes that. And you can make up your own extras. I'll walk on my hands for you or whatever, price and days to deliver. Then post the job. Bingo. Now, that will go up on the site, and probably people, I have to have at least 35 characters in the instructions. Make sure you send me the final copy. I'll say, any changes to the copy after I have commenced will incur charges. Right, now it's going to be 35. This thing tells you when you do something wrong. Okay, post the job. Is it going to go through? Yes, bang. There it is. Okay. See that one? That's the one I've just made up the top there. And if we go to my profile, boop, public profile that people see, it shows all of my things. There's the one I've made just now. Click on that. It comes up with Vushia Project and an Aussie accent, and people can play your audio.
Following presentation will...
people can play your audio. That's how easy it is, okay? So hopefully that helps. If you've got any problems, drop me an email, admin@voices.com.au.